Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Good morning, students. In this session, we are going to discuss another important organic chemistry chapter, name is phenols. Already in my previous session, I completed total information about the alcohol, preparations method, chemical properties and reaction mechanism. The complete information already finished in my previous session. After that, after alcohol, the second part is the phenol. So in this chapter, the same manner is going on. What is classification, nomenclature, physical properties and chemical properties. Okay, ma? Okay, students. The next topic in the second chapter of organic chemistry in 12th standard, phenols. Phenol. So what is a phenol? A phenol are the hydroxyl derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbon and contains one or more hydroxyl group directly attaches to the aromatic ring. Directly attaches to the aromatic. It means, see here, this is the benzene ring or nothing but aromatic ring. From the aromatic ring, remove off one hydrogen atom replaced by the hydroxyl group. So see, this is the aromatic ring. From the aromatic ring, one hydrogen is removed, replaced by the hydroxyl group. Then phenol is formed. So phenol is also a very important chemical to play very good role in our day-to-day life also, in medicinal purpose and industrial purpose also. So once again, see what is the phenol. Phenol is nothing but hydroxyl from the aromatic ring. Listen carefully. From the aromatic ring, one hydrogen is removed by replaced by the derivatives of OH group. Replaced by derivatives of OH group. Then this compound is formed. This compound name is C6H5OH, phenol. C6H5OH. See once again, phenol are the hydroxyl derivatives of aromatic hydrocarbon and contains one or more OH groups directly attaches to the aromatic ring. This is the phenol. Okay, ma? Now see here some examples. This is a phenol. Generally common name is a phenol, C6H5OH. This name is the O-cresol. Why it's called O-cresol? This position, ma. This is the ortho position. This is the ortho position and meta position and para position. So see, one benzene ring contains OH group and methyl group, that is commonly known as the cresol. So this in this structure, OH group located in the ortho position. That's why it's called O-cresol. Very, very important. O-cresol. O-cresol means cresol is a common name, and here in the O-cresol, OH groups located in the ortho position. O-cresol. This compound name is catechol. Common name is a catechol. It means benzene ring contains two hydroxyl group. So is a dihydric phenol. Catechol. Common name is a catechol. Some examples of phenols. Now here pyrogalol. So three hydroxyl group connected with or attaches with the benzene ring. These are the pyrogalol. So catechol, O-cresol, pyrogalol. These are the common names of the different kind of phenols. Okay, ma? Now we are going to start nomenclature. You know that very well, my dear student. In alcohol chapter time, I clearly explained different type of nomenclatures are there. Common system, IUPAC system and carbonyl system. But here two systems are present here. Number one is a common system. In case of common system, how we will call phenol names, and similarly in IUPAC system, what is the names of the phenol. Now in nomenclature of the phenol in the common system. Actually, my dear students, the general formula of monohydric phenol, in case of now these are the monohydric phenol. In case of monohydric phenol common naming system, it's commonly known as phenol. So here see, in common system, monohydric phenol parent name is also phenol. This is the most important. In common system, phenol common name is or parent name is the phenol. See here, it's a phenol, C6H5 is phenol. But this is a different type of one more substituent are attaches to the aromatic ring. So how to say this name of in common system? See, the bromine is located in the ortho position. That's why here, my dear students, O-bromophenol. See carefully, the bromine is located in the ortho position. So this is remaining group name is the phenol. So what is this compound name? O-bromophenol. O-bromophenol. If maybe here chlorine is there, O-chlorophenol. O-chlorophenol. O stands for indicated of position. Ortho, this is the ortho position. See for example, this is the first number of carbon, second number, third number, fourth number, fifth number, sixth number. Listen carefully, my dear students. 2 and 6. This is 2 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 and 6. These positions is called ortho. And after that, 3 and 5. 3 and 5. This position is called meta. And 1 and 4. This position is commonly known as para. So ortho, meta, para position. Now in this example, this is a phenol, but O-bromophenol, ortho-bromophenol, because of bromo group or bromine group located or attaches in the ortho position. In case of here, chlorine is there, O-chlorophenol, and iodine is there, O-iodo-phenol. It's clear, ma? Now maybe here bromine is there. In this position bromine is there. What is this? It's not there here. In this position bromine is there. That is M-bromophenol, meta-bromophenol. Meta-bromophenol. After that, here is located means para-bromophenol. Understood? See here, in the third example, this is the phenol group. In this phenol group, para position nitro group is there. So what is the compound name? P, para-nitrophenol. This entire the compound name. It's a phenol. This is the common system of nomenclature of the phenol. In common system, the parent name, last suffix parent name is the phenol. So beforely you observe what kind of substituents are attached to the phenol, that is a prefix name. After that, phenol is a suffix name. So P-nitrophenol. P-nitrophenol means nitro group is located in the para position, para-nitrophenol. This one, see here, ortho position, amino group is there. So ortho-aminophenol or O-aminophenol. Okay, ma? Maybe here amine group is there, or otherwise here amine group is there. Here amine group means this is ortho position, meta position, para position. M-aminophenol. It's clear, ma? This is the common system naming of the phenol. In common system naming of the phenol, common parent name is the phenol. It's clear? Now, many phenols are better known by their common names. Actually, my dear students, in chemistry, instead of the IUPAC name, common names are very, very important. That's why every student compulsory to learn, you know very well, you know the rules and regulations about the IUPAC nomenclature. Every student too easily to write IUPAC nomenclature of any compound. But common names are very, very important. So you are seriously focused on common names. So now here already I mentioned one point, important point. Many phenols are better known by their common names. So this is the common names of the compound. O-cresol, already I explained previously. Methyl group attaches to the phenol compound, that is common name is a cresol. So in this cresol, OH group is located in the here methyl group is located in the ortho position. So this is ortho, meta, para position. So like this one. So this is orthocresol. This one metacresol. Why called metacresol? See the number starting from here, Nana. 1, 2, 3. So this is the meta position of methyl. So M-cresol. This is a P-cresol. Ortho, meta, para, cresols. Different type of cresol. Cresol means phenol group or phenol compound contains methyl group, that is called cresol. So O-cresol, here methyl group is ortho position, here methyl group is a M position, meta position. Don't confusion, Nana. So in this case, see here, OH group is the top, but changes the structure here. Whenever OH group is there, you consider as the first place. So the first place means remaining second one is the ortho meta. This is ortho, this is meta, is a para, opposite. So don't confusion. Orthocresol, metacresol and paracresol. This is catechol. Catechol means if two hydroxyl group connected with neighboring carbon, that is called catechol. This compound name is a catechol. Important, Nana? Catechol. This compound name is catechol. Now this is a here see OH, two OH group, but the one OH group directly attaches to first carbon, one more OH group is the third carbon, meta position. So instead of meta place, here resorcinol. So this is combination is resorcinol. For example, 1, 2, 3. 1 comma, actually IUPAC name point of view, 1, 3 dihydroxy benzene. So that is commonly known as resorcinol. This is a quinol. So opposite, OH group is located first and fourth carbon. These are the phenol. Very, very important, and common names of phenols are very, very important. See once again, O-cresol, metacresol, paracresol, catechol, resorcinol and quinol. Resorcinol and quinol. Now IUPAC nomenclature, the naming of IUPAC nomenclature. See my dear student, in the IUPAC system, monohydric phenols are generally named as the derivatives of phenol. Here also general name is the derivatives of phenol. They may also be named as hydroxyl derivatives of the arenes, ARENES, arenes. Actually in common system, the parent name is also phenol. In case of IUPAC system also, the IUPAC system also, the named as the derivatives of phenol. So sometimes is called as a arenes. So here important point is the numbering of the ring is done according to the seniority order of the substituent parents on the ring. The position of the substituents is indicated by the Arabic number or Arabic numerals, and these are the following example. See my dear student, first of all, in case of the IUPAC nomenclature of phenol, if different type of the substituents, if different types of substituents are attached to the benzene ring or aromatic ring, you should follow the order of numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 based on the seniority order. Now see here, this is a phenol, commonly phenol, common name is a phenol, but IUPAC name is hydroxybenzene because this is the benzene group, basically benzene group. In the benzene group, hydroxyl group attached, so this compound name is, phenol is a common name and IUPAC name is the hydroxybenzene. Now see here, 2-methylphenol. My dear students, hydroxyl group is a senior group comparing to the substituent methyl group. So the numbering starting from the senior group 1 and 2. So this compound name is in case of IUPAC nomenclature, the first priority is the substituent. That's why in this compound name is 2-methyl. So methyl group is located in the second carbon, 2-methyl, entire the group name is a phenol. So 2-methylphenol, it's a common name, but IUPAC name point of view, see carefully, 2-methyl as usual, 2-methyl, but 1-hydroxybenzene. Two different names are there. First one common name, down one IUPAC name. What is this compound name? 2-methylphenol common name. 2-methyl 1-hydroxybenzene is the IUPAC name. It's a clear, ma'am? And see one more example. Here 3-methylphenol. You know that very well. OH group or methyl group attaches to the 3-methylphenol is a name. One more example, 3-methylphenol and M-cresol. Cresol also there, common name point of view. So two different names are there. 3-methylphenol is accepted, and one more name is 3-methylhydroxybenzene. 3-methylhydroxybenzene. Why it's called 3-methylhydroxybenzene? Methyl group is located in the third carbon, so it is a 3-methyl. Hydroxyl group is located 1. So 1 is indicated numerical numbers, 3-methyl-1-hydroxybenzene. This one 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-phenyl, or another name is the 4-methyl-1-hydroxybenzene. 4-methyl group, 1-hydroxybenzene. These are the IUPAC naming of phenol. Some other more examples, see here. 2-bromophenol. 2-bromophenol. So one more name is 2-bromophenol, one more name is 2-bromo-1-hydroxybenzene, because bromine group is located in the second, 2-bromo, the complete group name is a phenol, and one more name is 2-bromo-1-hydroxybenzene. And one more example, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because of the seniority order point of view, OH group is more senior than NO2 group. So here, fourth position nitro group is there, 4-nitrophenol. Common name is the 4-nitrophenol. But say anyone, another compound, another name, 4-nitro-1-hydroxybenzene. 4-nitro-1-hydroxybenzene. See here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 and 4th position of carbon atom occupy the nitro group. That's why 2-4-dinitrophenol, and one more name is the 2-4-dinitro-1-hydroxybenzene. 2-4-dinitro-1-hydroxybenzene. Two different names. Now this compound is most important in chemistry. See here, OH group is located first carbon, NO2 group is located second one, third, fourth one, and sixth one. So 2-4, 6th position, two different NO2 groups are there. So 3 NO2 groups are located in the second, fourth, 6th. That's why this compound name, my dear students, 2-4, 6 trinitrophenol, directly trinitrophenol, and one more name is 2-4, 6 trinitro-1-hydroxybenzene. 1-hydroxybenzene. This is two different names, but common name is the picric acid. Picric, P-I-C-R-I-C, picric acid. So now my question is, what is the IUPAC name of the picric acid? Picric acid means 2-4, 6 trinitrophenol, or 2-4, 6 trinitro-1-hydroxybenzene. 1-hydroxybenzene. This is a picric acid IUPAC name. Okay, ma? And see one more examples. Here ethyl groups are there. You know that very well, seniority order point of view, functional group of alcohol is a more senior comparing to the substituents. So the numbering starting from the functional group side, 1, 2, 3. That's why this compound name is 3-ethyl. So this is ethyl group, 3-ethylphenol, directly 3-ethylphenol, or another name is the 3-ethyl-1-hydroxybenzene. 3-ethyl-1-hydroxybenzene. It's clear, ma? And maybe here methyl groups are there. What is the name? Common names also there, cresol. But say anyone IUPAC name, 1, 2, 3. So 3-methyl-1-hydroxybenzene is also correct one. And see here, in this example, two different type of functional groups are there. Alcohol group, OH is indicated alcohol group, CHO is indicated aldehyde group. So according to senior order of the functional group, aldehyde group is a more senior group than alcohol group. That's why the numbering starting from the aldehyde group. So here this is the first number, this is the second number. Now this compound name is, if two functional, important note nana, IUPAC rules and regulation. If two functional groups are attached to the aromatic ring, first functional group considered as a suffix name, second functional group is considered as a substituent name. Okay na? In above cases, only one OH group, only one functional groups are there. That's why it's considered as a only suffix name. But here, two functional groups are there. Senior functional group considered as a suffix name. It means the name is always coming in the last of the name, last of the name. But the second functional group is a prefix side, That's why this compound name is 1, 2. So 2 position junior functional groups is there. That's why 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. So this is a benzene aldehyde group. So common name is the benzaldehyde. Important point, Anna. 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde, and very common name in chemistry, salsaldehyde. Salsaldehyde is nothing but 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Clear ma? If 2 different kind of the functional group are attached to the aromatic ring, the numbering starting from the seniority functional group. Out of this 2-1, which is the senior functional group, aldehyde is a senior functional group. So in this aldehyde, if the senior functional group naming point of view always coming in the suffix side, but junior functional group always coming into the prefix side. That's why this compound name is the 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde salsaldehyde. It's clear, ma'am? See one more example. Instead of aldehyde, carboxylic acid is there. So here carboxylic acid is a more senior group comparing to alcohol group. So say anyone, what is this compound? Same concept, 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, oic acid. If carboxylic group is attached to aromatic ring, the suffix name is a oic acid. If aldehyde group attaches to the aromatic ring, aldehyde. So this compound name is a 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, and salicylic acid. Common name is the salicylic acid. Don't confusion. Salicylic acid means the phenol contain carboxylic acid group. This is the salicylic acid. One more name is the 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. And see here, this is the functional group and ketone group. So here senior group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, as usual same concept is going on. Now here 4-hydroxy acetophenone. This compound name is a 4-hydroxy acetophenone. 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth position hydroxyl group is there. 4-hydroxy acetophenone. Okay ma? These are the monohydric phenol IUPAC naming. Now we are going to start dihydric and trihydric phenols naming. See here, how many OH groups are present in this aromatic ring? 2 groups are there. That's why it belongs to the dihydric phenols. So compound name is 1,2 dihydroxybenzene, or common name is a catechol. Already discussed this point in initially. So 1,2 dihydroxybenzene or catechol. And one more example, see here, OH group is different, 1 and 3rd position. That's why this compound name is 1,3 dihydroxybenzene, or another name is a resorcinol. And see one more example, 1,4 dihydroxybenzene quinol. And one more, these are the dihydric phenols. Now trihydric phenols. So in the trihydric phenols, 3 hydroxyl group are directly connected with neighboring carbons. See here, this compound name is 1, 2, 3 trihydroxybenzene or pyrogalol. And one more example here, 1, 2, 4 trihydroxybenzene hydroxyquinol. This compound name is the hydroxyquinol. And one more example, see here, 1, 3, 5 trihydroxybenzene. This common name is a fluoroglycinol. PHLO fluoroglycinol. GLUCINOL. Fluoroglycinol. These are the nomenclature of phenols of IUPAC nomenclature of the phenols. Okay ma? So in this session I completed introduction part of the phenols and nomenclature of the phenols in common system as well as the IUPAC system. In my next session I will continue preparation methods of the phenols. Okay ma?